When it comes to home insurance, we often think we're covered for everything, but that's not always the case. From basement floods to storm damage, there are hidden risks that many homeowners don't even realize aren't fully protected by their insurance policy. Let's take a closer look at 5 surprising risks that your home insurance should cover, but probably doesn't, and what you can do to make sure you're protected. Sewer backups, a mess you don't want to face alone. One of the most unpleasant surprises a homeowner can experience is a sewer backup. Imagine hosting a party only to discover your basement flooding with waste. Truly a nightmare scenario. But here's the kicker. Standard home insurance policies often exclude this type of damage. The cost of cleaning up a sewer backup can be exorbitant, but the good news is that there's a solution. You can ask your insurance agent about adding a sewer backup rider to your policy, which provides coverage for this type of damage. Additionally, installing a backflow valve in your home's plumbing can help prevent these backups from happening in the first place. Mold, the unwanted guest. Mold can be sneaky. It hides in damp, dark areas and can cause serious health problems if left untreated. Unfortunately, mold caused by maintenance issues like leaks or poor ventilation is typically not covered by standard insurance policies. To protect your home and health, you can add a mold endorsement to your policy. This will ensure that mold damage is covered. In the meantime, regular maintenance, fixing leaks promptly, and using dehumidifiers in moist areas like basements will help keep mold at bay. Jewelry theft. Is your bling fully covered? If you have valuable jewelry, you might assume it's fully protected under your home insurance. But here's the catch. Most policies have strict limits on how much they'll cover for jewelry theft. If you lose an expensive piece like an engagement ring or a family heirloom, you may only be reimbursed for a fraction of its value. To avoid this heartbreak, consider purchasing scheduled personal property coverage. This allows you to insure high-value items like jewelry separately, ensuring that if they're lost or stolen, you'll be reimbursed for their full value. Roof damage. Don't let age be a factor. Wisconsin is no stranger to wild weather, and your roof is your first line of defense. But did you know that some insurance policies reduce coverage for roof damage as your roof gets older? A 15-year-old roof may not be fully covered for damage caused by hail or wind, leaving you to pay for repairs out of pocket. To protect yourself, have your roof inspected regularly and speak with your insurance agent about upgrading your coverage. This will ensure you're covered for weather-related damage, no matter how old your roof is. Liability for injuries. A risk to watch. Whether you're hosting a Packers game or a backyard barbecue, accidents happen. If someone slips and falls on your property, your liability coverage may not be enough to cover their medical bills or legal fees. Many homeowners don't realize their policy's liability limit is too low to handle a serious claim. The solution? Increase your liability coverage to at least $300,000, or consider adding an umbrella policy for extra protection. It's a small cost for peace of mind, especially if you entertain guests frequently. Protect your home. Protect your peace of mind. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's your sanctuary. By taking a proactive approach and reviewing your insurance policy, you can protect yourself from these hidden risks. Whether it's adding coverage for sewer backups or increasing your liability limits, these small steps can save you from major headaches down the road. If you're unsure whether your current policy has you fully covered, don't hesitate to reach out to an insurance professional. A quick conversation could be the key to safeguarding your home and everything in it. Better safe than sorry.